minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. So to find the value of x. Okay, so x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. We will be doing here cross multiplication. So when we do cross multiplication, this x minus 5 is multiplied with 5. So 5 into x minus 5 and equal to sign will be as it is, and 3 is getting multiplied with x minus 3. So 3 into x minus 3. Okay, 5 into x is 5x. And we have minus sign, minus 5 into 5 is 25. 25 equals to 3 into x is 3x, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Okay, now here I can move x terms toward one side. I can keep x terms one side and constants the other side. Okay, so 5x, and I am moving 3x towards my left hand, so it will become minus 3x equals to minus 9, and minus 25 when it comes towards my right hand, so it will become plus 25. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x equals to minus 9 plus 25 is 16. Okay, so now I want only x. So x equals to 16 by 2. Okay, here 2 is getting multiplied. When it comes towards my right hand side, it will get divided. So 2 ones, 2 8s. So what is the value of x? Therefore x equals to 8. Fifth one, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. So here we have to find the value of t. So we have to find the value of t. Okay, so the question is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, this is having t term, this is also having t term, and one more t is towards my right hand side. So I'll bring this one also towards my left hand side. So 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3, because here it is minus, when it comes this side will become plus, t equals to 2 by 3. Now I'll take LCM for 4 and 3. So the LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. So if I take here LCM as 12, so 4 into 3. So here it will be 3 into 3t minus 2. Okay, now minus 3 into 4. So 4 into 2t plus 3 plus, because it is by 1 into 12. So 3 into 12 is 12t equals to 2 by 3. Okay, now 3 into 3t. We all know, right, how to multiply 3 into 3t and 3 into 2. Similarly for 4 as well. Okay, so 3 into 3t is 90 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, next minus 4 into 2t is 80. Okay, and minus into plus is minus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 12t by 12 equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay. Now first we'll solve all the t terms. So what are the all? 90, 80, 20. Okay. 90 minus 80 is t, because 9 minus 8 is 1. So 90 minus 80 is t, and t plus 12t. 1 plus 12 is 13. So t plus 12t is 13t. So 13t. Okay, now we'll calculate the constants. Here minus 6 and minus 12. Both of them having the same sign. So we have to add and keep the sign as minus. So minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. Minus 18 by 12 equals to 2 by 3. Okay. Now this 12 I'll send towards my right hand side, so it will get multiplied. So 13t minus 18 equals to 2 by 3 into 12. Okay. So if I simplify, 3 ones, 3 fourths. Okay. So 13t minus 18 is equals to 2 fourths, 8 is equals to 8. Okay. Now I'll send this 18 minus 18 towards my right hand, so it will become plus 18. So 13t is equals to 8 plus 18. 8 plus 18 is 26. So 13t is equals to 26. But I want only t. So I have to send 13 towards my right hand side. So it will get, because it is getting multiplied over here, when it moves towards the right hand side, it will get divided by. So t equals to 26 by 13. So if I simplify, 13 ones, 13 twos. So what is the value of t we got? 2. Therefore t equals to 2. Sixth question. m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So here we have to find the value of m. Okay, we have to find the value of m. So our question is m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So as usual, all the m terms will keep one side. Okay, means this minus m minus 2 by 3 I'll get towards my left hand side. So m minus 1 by 2 plus, when this here you are having minus, so it comes towards my left hand, so it will become plus m minus 2 by 3 equals to 1. Okay, all n terms one side and the constant for other side. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to take LCM. So LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So LCM is 6. So here by 1 into 6 is 6. So m into 6 is 6m. Minus, as it is, 2 into 3 to get 6. So this m minus 1 has to be multiplied with 3 plus 3 into 2. So 2 into m minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, now we'll solve this. 6m as it is, 6m minus 3m, 3 into m is minus 3m, and minus into minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, plus 2 into m is 2m, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4 by 6 equals to 1. First, what we have to solve? We'll solve the m terms, then we'll solve the constants. So what are the m terms? 6m and minus 3m. So 6m minus 3m and 2m. These are with m terms. So 6m minus 3m is 3m and 3m plus 2m is 5m. So 5m. Okay. Next, plus 3 minus 4. Two different sign, and plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay. By 6 equals to 1. Now next step, what we are supposed to do? I'll send this 6 towards my right hand side. So 1 into 6 is 6. So 5m minus 1 equals to 1 into 6. Okay. Next, 5m minus 1. So 1 into 6 is 6. Okay. Next, I'll send this minus 1 towards my right hand, so it will become plus 1. So 5m equals to 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 5m equals to 7. But I want only m, because 5 is getting multiplied over here. When it comes right side, it will get divided. So m equals to 7 by 5. Okay.